Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved some problems and now we are going to solve another problems that is related to the card problems. We have questions, right? If find this is find the number of ways to pick 4 cards from deck of cards, right? From the deck of the cards. The first, this is all are the same suit. All are same suit. And next one is all are the different suit. Different suits, right? So first we will check this one, right? The cards, how many cards is there? There are 52 cards is there. The total cards we have, we will write 52. Total cards we have, this is 52 cards, and we have to pick, this is 4 cards, and it does not matter which cards is going to pick. So that means whether we can find out the spade of ace or any face card or any king or queen, any cards. That means here, look this one, see. The cards which we are going to pick where the order does not matter. So that means order does not matter, so we will use combinations, right? So combination we will use when the order does not matter. Whether we can pick, this is the, I just told you that is whether this is a face card, that is the king card, this is queen or ace or anything, or the spade, that is club or anything else, right? Okay, then the first part is the total number of ways to pick 4 cards. That is equal to, we have, this is 52 cards, and we can pick out of 52 cards, that is 4. That means for 52C4. 52C4. Now this is the condition given if all are the same suit. That means whether they are in the club or the spade or diamond or heart. So these are 4 suits. This is a spade. This is heart, and this is diamond and club. These 4 cards we have. This is the same suit. How many spade is there? There are 13 spades cards are there, right? 13 spade, 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 club. So that is 13, total are 52. So 13, so that means all are the same suit. That means all 4, what is the chances of the all 4s, the ways, all 4 cards must be the spade. So that means 13C4. Out of 13, we can pick the 4 spade cards, 13C4. Or, that means that is the first solutions. Or that means plus, we write this is plus. How many have? This is 13. So C4. Or are diamond, that is 13C4. Or. And all must be the club, 13C4, right? So then this is equal to how much? The 113 said 1 chocolate plus 1 chocolate plus 1 chocolate plus 1 chocolate, that is 4 chocolate. We write this is 4 into 13C4. We can write this is, right? Or if you write this one, so that is correct. Now the second part is, see, all are different suits. Although that means one from the spade and one from the heart, from the diamond, and one from the club. See, this is very interesting. If I pick one spade card from this is out of 13 spade card, so that is the number of ways to pick this one. So out of 13 cards, we can pick the one card. All are different suit. That means all 4 cards are belongs to different suits. That means one card from the spade, one card for heart, and one card for diamond, and one card from the club. So that is the spade we can pick. This is 13C1, and we need 3 more cards. And here we have picked, this is 4 cards. Whether this is the spade here or that is 13C4 heart or diamond, the same thing like that. Here one card we have picked, we need 3 more cards for that according to questions, right? So then and means we need 1 cards again, that is heart. Out of 13 heart we can pick only 1, that is the different suit. And this is the out of 13 diamond we need 1 diamond, and out of 13 club we need this 1. So this is equal to 13C1 power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A into A square into A cube into A cube power 4. That is the solution. Right? So thank you students. Thank you.